Are you using WordPress to manage your site and looking for a quick way to credit content being copied from your website? Add my free plugin, available online in the Resource Center. Get the code. Then open it up in any text-based editor and change the snippet length value to limit the number of copied characters you want the user to be allowed to paste before that content will be truncated and a custom message added. Next, customize the message you want to have automatically added at the end of the truncated content the user copied whenever it is pasted. Then save, upload, and deploy as you normally would when installing a WordPress plugin.